Cars have been my thing since I was maybe 14, 15 years old.
Everybody that works here is a car enthusiast.
I'm just a car guy.
Man, I just think they're super cool.
I'm a highly skilled and highly trained expert.
Clients should bring their car to the shop to get it fixed.
Everybody can fix a car, but not everybody can provide the service and value that we do.
In my opinion, it's treat others the way they want to be treated, because not every single person is looking for the same service.
That's, my name, my reputation, my work going out there, and as such, it's the shop's name and reputation and work going out there.
It's your reputation, number one. If you've got cars coming back, they're not going to have any trust in not only you, but the repair facility in general.
If one person does a bad job, then everyone's gonna kind of follow a trend, and I don't want that to happen, because that'd be terrible.
I'm just really into cars. I think being around cars are cool. I think independent shops are even cooler.
You want to come in the shop, you want to take a tour of the shop, feel free to come by, we'll show you everything.
I feel like we do a good job taking pictures and trying to document as much as we can to prove what's wrong, show them what's wrong, show them why this is, important.
We're a happy-go-lucky family of guys that love working on cars.
I just like fixing stuff. Just something really satisfying about fixing something that's broken. So when I work on a car, it's like the customer might not know that I personally worked on it, but I do.
We want to do the job, we want to do it right, and we want to just deliver a premium product to people. There's that feeling when somebody really appreciates getting that type of service.
The culture and the atmosphere is probably the greatest thing about the shop.
We have fun, but we all have that level of professionalism, and we all go the extra mile.
I don't know, there's just something inside that just, man, this is awesome. This is what I love to do, and love being around.
So it's a lot of, just smiling, laughing, and continuous, effort from everybody, but it doesn't feel like a job.
We love what we do. You've got a bunch of guys that are passionate about their work. We've got some incredible technicians with years and years of experience and training and certifications. So, there's that peace of mind that your car is going to get fixed right the first time.
The Shop VA.
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 Because we love the cars we work on.
That's about it. Yeah, that's good.